Hi guys and welcome to Unity tutorial of a landscape using terrain asset. Okay, that is the terrain that I created using an asset. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you guys straight into Unity and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that and exit out. Then we select Unity. Make sure you select Universal 3D and here enter your name. I'm calling mine escape and click on create. There we go. Okay, guys, the development environment is ready, but we need these three assets there. There we go. Procedural terrain painter, starter asset, and skybox. So I'm going to go straight to Windows, select asset store. With the asset store selected, I'm going to enter in the procedural terrain painter there and let's search for it. There we go. And this is it right here, the free one. Okay, click on that and let's add to our assets and then click on the open. Yeah, opening Unity. There we go. And it's coming up. That is it right there. I will now download it. It's only about 11 megabytes. So let's click on import and click on import again. Because I've already downloaded it, that's why I have the icon for it. So you guys should have to download before you click on import. And you also have to click on import one more time. Okay, there it is right there on my system. So I'll go back to my asset store. And the next one that I want to get hold of is the starter asset. This very one. Okay, so let's get hold of that. And this is the very one that I need. This right here. Click on that and let's add it to our game as well. Opening Unity. And right here, that is it. So I'm going to come right here. You see where it says import. It says import because it's already been downloaded. So I'm going to click on import. And this time around, I think it's going to ask us to install some components. So I'm going to install those components. Okay, now the assets is on the system. Let's click on import. There we go. And then now we have that on the program as well. So the next one is the skybox right here. If you enter free HDI, you should be able to see it right there. This very well. Okay. Just click on that and add that straight onto your program. Okay, that is it right there. Free HDI skybox. So I am going to import that. There we go. The three assets that I need are now on the system, so I'm going to exit out. Next, let's go to the procedural terrain painter and click on the demo. Right there, that is mine. You see the demo with the Unity icon? Double click on that. There we go. That is our terrain right there. Might not be able to see, so I will just click on that and press F screen. It's coming up. There we go. There. Right. So if I run it now, this is what you guys will see right there. That's beautiful. Well, we cannot move around or do anything. Okay. Now let's do one thing first. Let's go straight to Windows. Now I'm going to select render, select light, So now we can change the skybox, select the environment. Right here where it says skybox material, click on that. And the skybox that I need. So maybe it's coming up. Right there, that's the skybox. You can either select this or this. I'm gonna go for this. Let's make sure it's selected and close that. And if you come right here, let's close that. If you come straight to your system, you should be able to see the skybox itself. So click on run. Yeah, that's how it's looking now. See that? That's beautiful. So end that. The next thing we want to do is to be able to move around the environment. So to do that, I'm going to go straight to my assets. So the assets, let's click on first person. And next, let's click on the prefab. The prefab, I want to select the nested partner this one, the nested parent. So click on the nested parent, just drop it somewhere. Drop it somewhere there. And that's it. So next, I am going to now click on the nested pivot here, the hierarchy, drop it down. I want to select, you see here that we have the canvas assets joystick, select that and select the event system as well. And I check those at another. Now, if you notice, we have main camera there. This main camera has what is known as Cine Machine Infinite, Cine Machine Brain. So that is much more better than this main camera. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this main camera. Check that. So I'll be using the camera, the Cine Machine. So with the one with the Cine Machine enables us to move around the terrain environment. So let's click on play and see how that's going to. Alright, it's coming up, and there we go. See, we've come now, and there we go. Cut a terrain right there. See that? So I'm gonna move around. Okay, but it's a little bit slow, so what you need to do is let's end it. You can come right here, sabotage code here, player capsule, scroll right down. Let's see. Okay, okay, with the player capsule selected, you see here. First person controller. If I drop that down, that's the script. You can see move speed is about 4. I'm going to make it 10. Now we can move it a little bit faster. So let's run it. So you can change any speed here and see how that's going to. There we go. You see now, I'm kind of like moving faster the way I'm. So with that, guys, I'm calling the end of this brief tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed. And please do subscribe to my channel. That would be very helpful. And you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.